We're back with another banger video. I got my boy here rooming with me.
What's up, dudes?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Today we're gonna be chilling at home because we didn't get to go to school today, and it's gonna be lit. So we're gonna show you. We'll be back later. Right here we got our stairs. We're gonna be showing our house tutorial. Our stairs. Come with me. Follow
Oh
me.
yeah, look at those stairs. I'm the cameraman, by the way.
So over here we got our living room where we chill and watch TV. Right here is where we watch the TV and where stuff happens on the TV.
Okay. Keep going, keep going.
And over here we got our kitchen where we eat, and we go in our refrigerator for food, and we use the stove to cook.
Okay, pretty common stuff. All right, now it's raining right now, guys,
It's
actually.
raining outside. And over here we got our other living room where we use just for looks.
All right, but what happens when you guys eat too much? Like,
When we-
where do you guys go to the restroom at?
Oh, let me show you. Come here, come here.
Okay, okay.
Come here.
What the hell? Why are you running?
All right, right here, you guys are gonna be amazed. I don't know if you guys want to go in here, but like, okay, I warned you. Okay, right here, we got our curtain. You want to see us close the curtain?
Okay.
No one. And over here, we got another living room. It's pretty messy over here, and right here under there, we have it covered because what's under here is a classified expensive couch. Like $50 worth of money right here.
Okay.
Probably worth more than that. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So yeah, we'll see you guys later, and bye.